Good Friday afternoon. This is my first time to visit this place, a supposedly beach resort here in Palawan. Of course, with my good driver, na? So, bait-bait ang driver ko na yan. Driver, husband slash friend. And the best. Wow, ang daming papaya. Plenty of coconut. Palawan, or specifically Aborlan, is known for bigger lots. A lot of hectares. So the development here is a little bit slow because if you need to buy a portion of land, you cannot easily buy, like say, 1,000 square meters unless they will develop a subdivision. But that's still a far cry. So here's the way to Chili Beach. Let's see if it's really chilly. So, Sitio Tagbariri, Purok Plaza. Oh, okay. So this is the way. Hold on. This is not as far as the other one. The what's the name of that beach again, pa? The Surya Beach. But it's a nice location as well. But the distance is a little bit far. I'm going on a rough road. You can see, as you can see, guys, the land is vast here. Vast, empty land. If we have a acacia tunnel, we also have bamboo tunnel here. Nice. Oh, shaky. So guys, here they do also an Airbnb, booking only. So we're gonna check this place out and see from here. Welcome to Chili Beach Resort. Okay, so anyways, we will see the ocean. I'm gonna have another video. Okay?